So after providing incentive, whether can I change the name of the company? So the company shall take prior approval of the implement agency and change the constitution or management or name or style or transfer of assets. That is possible. So the company shall, before selling out or leasing, the company should consult the implementation agency. Change of location means shifting the project outside the state is not allowed. Within the state, you can shift your project anywhere. And when you're going to merge the companies, again, you have to get the permission of the higher authorities. Change of line of activity or adding new line of activity that is allowed as per the provisions. Change in investment period is also flexible, and change in employment condition. So that's what I said. So if we are committing for 50 employee jobs every year, that has to be committed. Okay, any excess incentive shall be refunded with interest as decided by the government of Tamil Nadu. Next one is eligibility certificates, another thing. So which I think it's self-explanatory. So who are the invitees for the special circumstance is the principal secretary to the government industries department, additional chief secretary finance department, managing director and CEO, managing director Scott, chairman TNEB, and commissioner commercial tax and registration department. So all these, in case of any dispute, all these people will sit together and see how it can be resolved. So the SIPCOT is the implementation agency for all the incentive listed out. So SIPCOT will ensure that the companies which are applying are eligible for the incentive, and it is going to issue the eligibility certificate upon the completion of whatever they promise they have made in terms of investment and the employment opportunities. So criteria for approval, so minimum area of 100 acres in legal possession, so should be meant primary for manufacturing. So at least we should have provision for high manufacturing 20 SMEs, should not have more than 10% wetland or cropland, should not include more than 5% of government land. So for our industrial park, what is the criteria? And processing area, industrial product manufacturing, ready build sheds, R&D centers, testing, and pathways and roads. So office space, you will have the office space, warehousing area, convention center, meeting halls. You'll have the business center. You will have the training center and guest house. Everything will be available. Social infrastructure. You will have the schools, housing, and other things, hospitals, educational institutions, entertainment, shopping center, and open spaces and roadways and pathways. So this is what is the industrial policy of Tamil Nadu. We have seen elaborately.